everyone, you're watching Twin Birds. Today we'll show you how to prepare Juicy Delight. For recipe we will need 1 lemon, 1 spoon ginger juice, 2 chopped gooseberries, 1 chopped cucumber and peeled apple, 1 cup mint leaves, sugar optional, 300 ml water. Cucumber into the jar. Then add gooseberry, apple, mint leaves, ginger juice, lemon juice, add some water, and grind it into a smoothie. Add sugar if necessary. Now pour this into a glass. Juicy Delight is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.